Today, I'm going to take you through this lovely cottage home that was recently built. This ranch home is not only beautiful on the outside, but wait until you see the inside. Very charming. Inside, you're greeted with a very generous foyer, and then that would open up to an expanded hallway just before you get to the great room. But we'll take a look at that in a second. I want to show you the front here, where you have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. This first bedroom they did as a home office. And this is roughly a 12 by 12 room, so really good size. And then you got your full bath with a comfort height vanity and dual sinks. And the second bedroom is slightly smaller than the first. It's at 13 by 10, but still really good size. As you can see, they've done wood floors all throughout the main level. And then we have the great room. It's a nice open layout, 9-foot ceilings, but then they bumped it up an extra foot for the tray ceiling, and for a nice added touch, they put some beautiful crown in there. And I think they did a really good job on this kitchen. Lots of cabinetry. And the island's pretty generous. It's about 8 foot in length and 4 foot in depth, and it gives you a good overhang for your stools so you can pull up and have a meal. Some beautiful quartz tops. And they have a separate range with hood, and then your bank of drawers underneath that for your pots and pans. And then you have a deep single bowl sink. It's steel with a black finish. And then of course they put in stainless steel appliances. And then at the top of all the cabinetry, they have a nice crown going across. Back here's the owner's suite. And this one's about 13 by 17, so very generous. Can easily fit a king bed and a lot of other furniture pieces. Again, comfort height vanity, dual sinks. And then we have a good sized shower with seat and then a tiled base. And they have an unfinished basement, so if the homeowner decides to finish it off in the future, this 1,700 square foot ranch home becomes more than 3,000 square feet of living space, so a lot of home. If you want more information about this home, I'll put a link below to Northmark Homes, who is the builder of this ranch home, and you can check them all out.